Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel Chop Munch Repeat. My name is Shama and welcome back to another delicious vlog. Fasten your seatbelts for this vlog because today I'm taking you to Mexico. We are at El Tacos, Navi Mumbai today. This outlet is in Kharghar. It is right opposite Glomax. अगर आप लोग कभी खारघर में आए नहीं हो तो मैं आपको लैंडमार्क बता देती हूँ. And यहाँ पे they serve authentic Mexican street food. At least that's what I've heard. It is there in their name also. It is a Mexican street kitchen, El Tacos. And I've seen their vibe. The entire vibe of this place is very tropical. The joint is so beautiful inside. They have a very comfortable sitting also inside. Very nice, very cozy. And there are so many people already sitting there. I'm sitting outside because मैं लिटरली ऐसे नेचुरल सनलाइट के लिए क्रेव कर रही थी. नाउ आई एम प्लेसिंग माई ऑर्डर. आई एम ऑर्डरिंग सम ऑफ देयर मोस्ट ऑर्डर डिशेस बिकॉज मुझे ऑनेस्टली कोई ज़्यादा आइडिया नहीं है. तो मैं ऐसे ही कुछ मंगाने वाली हूँ जो बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलर है और जो यहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा लोग खाने आते हैं. Our drinks have come first. I'll tell you what are these beauties. सबसे पहले ना this is a pineapple jalapeno smash. How beautiful this looks. ये मुझे पूरा मेक्सिको की वाइब दे रहा है. Honestly, I feel like I am on a vacation right now. And here we have a mulberry mojito. It's sparkling, beautiful. I cannot wait anymore, yaar. I'll just start having. I'll have this one first. Now I'll tell you something. He told me that instead of having this with a straw, you can just sip it because they have added some spice here. Wow. It is actually spicy. This drink is actually spicy, but it's so yum. First of all, it is very thick. I love the pineapple in it, and you feel that light jalapeno hit. See, they have put some mint leaves on top, and this spice. The entire thing now, pineapple, mint leaves, and the spice, and this pineapple. Yummy. Let's try this now. This is a mulberry mojito, not your usual mojito. Now let me tell you, I've never had mulberries also, so I don't know how they exactly taste, but it looks so beautiful. It looks like a Dracula drink to me. Let us try it. Oh my god. This beauty. I feel good now. अभी मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं मस्त शाम तक यहाँ पे बैठ सकती हूँ. Honestly, this is very refreshing. मस्त वो जो मोहितो वाला फ्लेवर होता है ना, स्वीट मिंटी फ्लेवर, इट इज़ देयर. एट द सेम टाइम हल्का सा आपको मलबेरी का हिट आ रहा है. आई लव इट. ये जो ऊपर पूरे सीड्स आ रहे हैं ना, इट इज़ एडिंग दैट एक्स्ट्रा क्रंच टू इट एंड इट टेस्ट अमेजिंग. आई ऑल्सो लव हाउ ब्यूटिफुल दिस ड्रिंक लुक्स. आधा काम उधर ही हो जाता है व्हेन इट लुक्स सो ब्यूटिफुल ना. Yay! This looks so good. The food is here. Oh my god, look at this exotic spread, yeah. मतलब my food never looked so good, so colorful. I'll tell you what all I've ordered. These are assorted crunchy shell tacos. They look amazing. This vlog is going to be all about colors and colorful food and all the food textures. Next thing that I've ordered is this. This is a burrito frito. It is a crunchy burrito. And the third thing that I've ordered is their specialty. This is enchilada. Enchilada is a very traditional Mexican dish and this looks absolutely beautiful. I love their presentation. I mean, each and every item you should have seen. In fact, you can actually see if you come here, they have an open kitchen kind of situation going on inside. So everything is prepared in front of your eyes and the kitchen smells so good. You just cannot wait for your food to arrive. Let me start with the crunchy shell tacos first. This is an assorted tacos platter and here you get 3 kinds of tacos. The tortillas outside are crunchy. You can see they are nice and crispy. It is served with this sauce. There is lemon and there is some salsa here. and there is makhi and there is some salsa here. Let's try. I want to try this one in the center because it has fried chicken. I love fried chicken. Oh my god. Woof. Things are going to get really messy today. Okay, let's try it. Oh my god. Messy. The chicken is so soft and so crunchy. Absolutely love the crunchy chicken, love the crunchy taco. There is lettuce inside, there is some Mexican coleslaw. There are also some baked beans inside, you can see. I love it. मैं ये ख़त्म कर दूँगी अकेले. Let me also try this one. This one has some nice shredded chicken coated with some sauces. Let's try it. This one's a bit more juicy. I think because of the chicken. Love it. Let us try the burrito now. This is burrito frito. Look at this. This looks so interesting. There is some Mexican rice inside. There is some fajita chicken, some Mexican coleslaw. बरीटोस की ना पूरी स्टफिंग आपको बाहर से दिख रही है और देखने में इतना ज़बरदस्त लग रहा है ना. एंड बाहर का जो दिस आई डोंट नो व्हाट दे कॉल दिस. आई थिंक दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज टॉर्टिया ओनली. ये भी फ्राइड है एंड दिस इज़ ऑल्सो क्रंची. लेट अस ट्राई दिस. आई डोंट नो एग्जैक्टली इसको खाते कैसे है, बट मैं इसको ऐसे रोल की तरह ही खाने वाली हूँ. I love the rice. I love the combo of chicken, rice and bell peppers. Amazing. Very difficult to eat this. This is very crispy outside. You see the stuffing inside. There are some sauces, lots of veggies. This Mexican rice is adding the most flavor I feel along with the chicken. इसकी quantity ना बहुत ज़्यादा है, मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा है. I think for 2 people also this is a lot. Next thing we are trying is this chicken enchilada. I'll tell you what is it actually. This is a tortilla. Tortilla के अंदर ना इसमें chicken and beans and cheese की stuffing है and इसको मस्त ऐसे fry किया है and then they have put it in this sauce and topped with some nice cilantro. There is some avocado. There is some sauce. There are also these petals. I don't know ये किसके petals है, but it is looking very nice. मतलब presentation 100 on 10, not even 10 on 10, 100 on 10. It looks absolutely amazing. Let us try it now. This came in this hot tray. ऐसे ही सर्व होता है ये एकदम गरम गरम एंड इसको आज हम इससे खाएंगे.
इससे वैसे हम जनरली कभी कुछ खाते नहीं है और मुझे खाना भी आता नहीं है कि कौन से हाथ में पकड़ते हैं.
लेट्स डू द मोस्ट डिफ़िकल्ट पार्ट. मेरे को बिल्कुल मन नहीं कर रहा है कि मैं इसको इतना स्पॉइल करूँ, बट करना पड़ेगा. हम खाएंगे इसको, हम ट्राई करेंगे. लेट अस हैव इट. सी द स्टफिंग इनसाइड. मिन्स चिकन टाइप की स्टफिंग है अंदर. ऊपर ये मस्त चीज़ है. लेट्स ट्राई इट.
ये मेरे आउट ऑफ सिलेबस है.
Tortilla is a bit salty, but I like the stuffing inside. Very generous and because the chicken stuffing is pickled ना, इसलिए ये कैसे होता है कि जैसे आप फर्स्ट बार ट्राई करोगे ना तो आपको हल्का सा वो किक लगेगा सॉल्ट का, बट इट विल नॉट लीव दैट आफ्टर टेस्ट. मतलब बाद में आपको ना वो ओवरऑल बैलेंस हो जाता है आपके मुंह में. एंड द बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट एवरीथिंग, इनफैक्ट एवरीथिंग दैट आई हैड टुडे ना, एवरीथिंग इन दिस स्प्रेड इज मेड फ्रॉम स्क्रैच हियर इन देयर किचन एंड यू कैन फील दैट दे इनफैक्ट हैव देयर ओन स्पाइसेस एंड एवरीथिंग विच दे जस्ट शोड मी दैट दे मेक एवरीथिंग विद दैट. सो दैट्स वाई यू नो बहुत आपको एक्चुअली ऑथेंटिक मैक्सिकन फूड का फील आपको आएगा. मैंने मैक्सिकन फूड बहुत ज़्यादा ट्राई किया नहीं है एंड मुझे इतना एक्सपीरियंस भी नहीं है, बट एज अ फूडी आई कैन से दिस कि मुझे खाने में सब कुछ बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. तो आई डेफिनेटली रेकमेंड दिस प्लेस कि अगर आपको कुछ कभी हटके ट्राई करना है ना, कुछ अलग ट्राई करना है, आप लोग डेफिनेटली यहाँ पे आ सकते हो. That is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for coming on this Mexican food tour with me. I hope you all enjoyed. One thing, the food here is amazing and especially at such reasonable prices, including the drinks. They made everything from scratch and everything has been priced so reasonably, so a big thumbs up for that. I hope you guys come here, have a great experience. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Also put a comment with your thoughts. I would love to hear it. I'll see you in the next vlog. Till then, subscribe. Bye. And one more thing, they are also serving this Mexican breakfast now 8 to 12 p.m. So if you are here nearby and if you want to try some amazing Mexican breakfast, you can definitely come here. Order their food on Swiggy or Zomato. I'm just telling you all these extra details because I honestly love this spread and I would love for everybody to try it. Okay, now I'll be final bye bye.